Hello, say hi to you and start watching this video with me. We know acrylic colors are beneficial to use. They can easily dry. You don't have to wait to dry and then paint. I have purchased this pastel acrylics because of the three most beautiful colors in it. You can see here the colors mentioned in the box pack. This is what I purchased with rupees 144 from Flipkart. Now I am unboxing it in front of you, but I don't like this box, which is a paper box. It is hard to maintain for a long time, but the colors are really cute and bright as I want. So now I'm going to show you the first color, which is a pale pink color, which is seriously so beautiful. And now this one is lavender purple, you can see, and this is peach, soft peach, and this is aqua blue color, and this one is mint green, and the last one is buttercup yellow, which is so bright and beautiful. I'm totally satisfied with all of these colors, but not with its box. Yeah, you can see all the other come in plastic box, but this is one is what you can see. What is this? I can show you the colors by applying all colors to my fingers one by one. Now you can see how it is looking in this camera. Thank you.